In this video, I'm going to do 3 or 4 trades, and each trade's going to be for $250. I'm going to keep it to the same amount every time. But before I get started, obviously I need to choose a chart. I don't like the look of that one, so let me see if I can find another one. I quite like the first one I was on, to be honest, but I'll just check out a few others. I can see them in the background there, and I don't like the look of what I'm seeing at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have that first chart there. Now what I'm looking for is my first trading signal, and that signal will hopefully come very soon. This looks promising. Let me zoom in. I've placed a trade there of $250 to say that the price is going to go down. So if it goes down from that point where I place my trade, after the timer's finished, which you get a minute, then I will win $472.50, which will be fantastic. Now, as I say, if you want to get access to my training that we've got coming out soon, or you'd like a robot, access to our robot that does this for you on complete autopilot, then stay watching this video and I'm going to show you how to get that towards the end. But let me do a few trades for you first. We've got 17 seconds left on the clock there before this trade finishes. Now, you can learn this stuff and do it manually, but if you don't want to go through the learning curve, then of course you can get access to our trading robots that do this on complete autopilot. We've got 2 seconds, 1 second, bang, I've got that trade. So I've got back there $472.50. Not bad so far for a few minutes, just over a minute. I waited a few moments there and I see 2 more signals. I've got the first signal, so I place my price to go down. And I actually see another signal on the screen, so I took the second signal as well. So if I get these 2 trades, I'm risking $500, but if I get these 2 trades, I will get $940, and I've got my $940. So I'm quite happy with that. 940 plus the 472.50. You do the maths. Now, if you want to get access to a trading robot that does this for you on complete autopilot, that's very simple. All you need to do is below this video, you're going to find a thing that says become a lazy trader with a link. Click on that link and it's going to take you over to this page where I've got a video there that shows you how I made just over $2,200 in 3 minutes. But below that video, there's a big orange button, that says become a lazy trader. Click that button, you get this pop up, put your name and your best email address, because what I'm going to do is going to send you information about the trading robot and how you can get access to it and do this sort of trading on complete autopilot. You don't have to go through that learning curve. But of course, if you do want to learn it, you can go through the learning curve, because we've got a video course and an ebook coming out very soon. So make sure you click on that button. Let me have your name and your email address, and I'll send that info straight to your inbox. And happy trading. You have an amazing day now. Bye.